Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Amira's just working out from her nap, but I just wanted to start off this vlog today because we're going to get someone that we haven't seen in months, and we're so excited. So if you don't know who that is, I'm pretty sure if you've been watching my previous videos, someone left us and it's finally time that he returns back to us. We're going to Delhi today. He's coming tomorrow morning, hence why we're going today. And yeah, I'm going to pick him up, but we'll get you later.
I'll go where you go. I know where I stay tonight with you. I'll go where you go. I know where I stay tonight with you.
Look, so this is where we're gonna be spending the night. So pretty. It's so pretty. Look at it. Come here. Wait. Maya's had out enjoying. So beautiful hotel. Actually, my first time here. Baby, look.
Mama.
Look. But I actually forgot to bring an Indian ID. An ID just to show that I live in India. So I didn't have anything on my phone. Surprisingly, I usually have these kind of things in my phone. Even my passport. I didn't have my passport. So yeah, we had to call home if they can take a photo and send it to us. Yeah, the lady at the counter wasn't smiley. Like, it wasn't a huge. She wasn't really nice. I didn't get a good greeting from here. So good hotel. Customer service is shit. I have to say that. Baby, come. I already changed her into another outfit because it's so cold in here. Come, baby. Boy. Yeah. So this is the lounge area. Oh my gosh, this one. She's so naughty, eh? In public, she's a different person. She's a monster. She's a monster in public. Don't do that. Don't do that, baby. She's too excited. Hello. Alright, we're still sorting it out. I'm so hungry, can't wait to eat. I think right now it is 6. It's around 6 p.m. Alright, we got our room number now. 304. Oh. I swear I'm getting old. Yeah, we're inside. Wow. Wow, baby, look. This is... It's good, eh?
Yeah.
I don't break anything. Don't break it.
It's chargeable, I think.
Yeah.
Because
everywhere is chargeable.
Yeah, because one day I ate some snacks. After they asked me 5,000 rupees.
Yeah, everywhere is chargeable. Nothing is free. That's how they make money. Oh, look. Oh, look at the pool. Wow. That'll be a nice view tomorrow morning.
Wow!
Wow! Look, baby.
We can sit here.
We can go there later tonight. Oh, look at the pool. Alright, so let's check out. Oh, let me just give you guys a bit of tour. Ignore the background noise. Look at that, guys. Oi. Water, complimentary water. These are obviously, you have to pay for it afterwards. And let me just show you guys the pool once again. Wow, we've got the best view. We can go there later on. Amira? Who are you talking to? Huh? Who are you talking to, baby? Boost?
Mimi!
Mimi? Mimi? Get down, baby. There's no Mimi here. Mimi's at home.
Good.
But yeah, it's so dark. Anyway, let's check the menu. Let's check if there's anything nice. Breakfast. So this is the bathroom area. Nice. So we have pizza. Look at that. What is that pizza? Oh wow. Are you hungry? Hungry? Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, so we've just had that pizza. It was so delicious. And yeah, I was just waiting for my other nephew. And then we can go somewhere to have a really nice dinner because we're still hungry. That one pizza wasn't enough. Amara's enjoying it, exploring every single thing in this room, and I'm trying to I've been trying ever since we got here. I've been trying to get her hands off the things, otherwise she'll break it. And then who's gonna pay for it? Huh? Dada, yeah. Dada's gonna pay for it. She's so naughty. But yeah, you guys will I'll tell you guys when we get to somewhere to eat. Are you excited, lovey? Papa's coming tomorrow. Are you excited?
Papa?
Yeah, are you happy to see your papa? Huh? Are you excited? You haven't seen him in a long time. You actually haven't seen him for almost 4 months, I think. I'm excited to see him as much as Amaya does. 'Cause Amaya doesn't even know anything at the moment. I mean, leave it! I mean, she notices him, but she just has no idea that her papa. Amara's wait. Oh, you got these shoes? Yeah. Oh, look at you. I feel like seafood now. I feel like. Have you eaten?
Not much.
Oh. We had a pizza.
The hotel staff pissed me off many times.
Oh my gosh, the customer service is shit.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they are technically, I think
You know that
Chinese
place? Yeah. It's matcha.
Matcha.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
you can have your food here, just sushi. I think they have specialized.
Oh, this is. Yeah, that's yours. Oh. Wow. So good. Yum. Yeah.
I think this place,
You have to go.
this place, shouting.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it looks so nice. Wow. Spices.
One piece at up top. Should I
Look.
TikTok?
What's going on over there? Anything for the for the reels. I will see you guys.
It's very big.
Wow. Hi guys! Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali! You wanna see Papa? Hi! Amira's excited to meet Papa! Are you excited? Are you excited to see Papa? It's been a while, huh? Currently at the airport now picking up Kavi. We had a really good sleep. Well, I had a really good power nap. Really? What's this? She knows.
क्या कर रहा था?
Who's that baby? Who's this? Papa. Papa. Papa.
Really? Hey. क्या बात देखनी?
She's quiet at the moment.
Hey.
Hey, go to your papa. Look at her. Who's this?
Rakas?
What does Mimi sound like? Yeah, she just woke up. She woke up. Myra. Alright, so we're off to breakfast. Oh wow. It's buffet. So that's good. The boys are going to get their breakfast and I'm gonna go after. They have buffet. Can't wait to eat. Let's go get you breakfast. Let's go. Let's go. First plate. Chai.
Yo, 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 yo.
Lovely
Yo,
Amara.
yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo.
Healthy? She's feeding you. Alright, let's check out the pool. We'll take photos. So this is the pool, you guys. So pretty. Hi, baby. Ah. Nah. This is so dangerous. Yeah. So dangerous. It's not for kids. Nice. Papa. Oh, now Papa. You know, look, they've got the nicest view.
They are enjoying the 5-star.
Yeah. We're paying for this view, and these guys are having this view for free. These guys are having this view for free. Well, we have to pay for it. Oh yeah. Oh, up there. Look. Kavi. It's dirty. Yeah. So this is a spa area. Wow. Nice. Oh, and the gym is right at the back. Wow. You can see it right at the back there.
बाद में अभी
He's literally brushing his teeth. What the heck? Alright, we're doing a sightseeing today. What is this called? So that's where we're going to be going. But we have to pay our tickets online. That's the scan. Got some tourists here. Squirrels, look! Oh! Ah!
Balala.
There's so many.
She wants to eat this.
Oh yeah. Right, so this is the building we're gonna be exploring today.
Built 1119.
Oh, 1199 to 1122, I think.
It's like thousands.
Wow, look at that. So many. If you was telling me that this iron pillar, the long stick here, never gets rusted. Look at the parrots. Man, they're everywhere. Where's the other one? Oh, there are so many.
Julia.
She's excited. You're excited about the birds, eh? So many birds. Pigeons, parrots. An old building with so many decades. Alright, so we're in Ambience Mall. Take a look.
Never seen it before, right? First time. First time.
She's seen my face. Shoes. Yeah, we're gonna match with mom. Happy Diwali, everyone! Happy Diwali!
Yoda.
Yeah. So we're at home now and everyone's celebrating Diwali. This year we're not doing fireworks due to some family matters. You know, there are people who are celebrating at the moment. It's Amara's first Diwali here in India and she's enjoying all the fireworks that are blasting at the moment.
Mami. Chalo. Iya.
Hello! Second day of fireworks. This is the day after Diwali, and we just wanted to do a bit of fireworks for Amara.
Take a photo. In between videos, take a photo.
ये मतलब ये यार ये लड्डू है ये बढ़िया लगे
Myra.
जोर से
ये दूध देख कर आती है
She's still scared of it. She'll be fine next year. Us? Baby, look. She's still scared.
तावला धर खत्म हो गई पर तू दर्द भी देगा ही नहीं
ये आई है
लेकिन कपड़ी हम लगा दे
I know we are trying